Two-zone cooking can be easily accomplished with the FlameZone. It comes with these two pretty solid covers. So, for instance, if I wanted to make the top half be my hot zone, just cover up the lower half, and vice versa. If I wanted to make this the hot zone on the bottom, cover up the top, and then if I just want to revert back to low and slow, cover them both, serves as a heat shield. And if I want to make the entire grill hot, remove both covers. So that's it, guys. It doesn't come with any instructions in the box, no paperwork whatsoever. But again, pretty easy to figure out how everything fits. I was able to find a post on a barbecue forum someplace where someone had pictures of exactly how everything fits in. So it's pretty easy. All right, guys, this is Kenyatta Robinson. Thanks again for joining me on my Backyard Smokemaster Barbecue channel. If you guys have any questions about the FlameZone Retrofit kit from MAK Grills, feel free to leave me a comment. And love hearing from you guys on anything barbecue. So please like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications on when I drop a new video. Take care. I'll see you in the next one.